talked about it yesterday before the race. He wants to show everyone that he's capable and he has gold. All eyes have to be on this young rider, Garrett Gerloff.
I bet you lose your mind when this shit drops.
It kind of goes back to when I was 4 years old and I got my first ever motorcycle, which was a Yamaha PW50, and just getting to ride that every weekend with my dad was kind of the only reason why I rode a motorcycle. And ever since then, I just knew that I wanted a motorcycle to be in my life every day, and what better way to do that than to just have it as your career. That was a big switch for me, going from dirt to road racing. I started taking it a lot more seriously, and I kept watching, you know, the AMA, Moto America guys on TV. I was just so immersed in road racing in general. I wanted to study those guys and just see exactly what they were doing. You know, all this is awesome and great, but I know it can be taken away from me at any time.
The checkered flag, and Garrett Gerloff will take victory.